Alright, what's up, y'all? Coming to you with our first open snow report here on Thursday the 12th, just 8 days away from opening day at the Arizona Bowl, and it's certainly boding well here for a strong opening to the season. There's already 2+ feet of base up there. The last quick moving storm on Monday brought another 4 to 6 inches. And we have another quick moving storm system here before opening day, and I'm hopeful that something big's going to happen here before the end of November. Models have been all over the place with what's going to happen around Thanksgiving week time frame. Big storm, not a big storm, starting to fall in line more on the idea of a storm system here Thanksgiving week. So let's get right into it, and I want to start off and show you some of the models here, and we'll start off talking. Let's start off just talking about today. The Climate Prediction Center just came out with their monthly discussion on El Nino and El Nino advisory, yes, and it will likely peak here during the winter, and a strong El Nino is in place, and most models indicate that it will continue through the winter. And also it says somewhere in here that the forecaster consensus remains nearly unchanged, with the expectation that this El Nino could rank among the top 3 strongest episodes dating back to 1950. And of course the other 2 strong El Ninos that I've looked at for Flagstaff, 82, 83, and 97, 98, were both huge snow-making years with nearly 150 inches of snow in town, and the mountain well over 300 inches. And I do not remember a season starting off this strong. It's been a wet fall for sure. Okay, let's look at the models really quick, and the latest morning GFS run here, and we're looking at the upper levels of the atmosphere, 500 millibars. This just shows us quickly where the storms are. And so let's just start off today, and mild and cool, and it remains that way Friday and Saturday. And then Sunday, notice this is an approaching trough of low pressure, not the most optimum trajectory for a wet scenario, the way this thing is coming in kind of from the northwest more than a westerly. Watch what happens Monday, kind of scoots through us. That's a cold blast and a quick blast of snow, and then we bust out and go into a ridge here for several days. But this is the next exciting storm taking shape, dropping down the California coast here, and just on our doorstep on the 23rd and 24th and 25th. So this is like right around Thanksgiving week, and that's a decent looking storm with another southern branch cutoff low behind it. Let me show you something a little more something easier to grasp onto, and now we just look at the moisture profiles with these storms and how much moisture is coming today. Obviously nada. We go tomorrow, we go Saturday, and then Sunday this thing starts to tap into a little bit of moisture. Maybe the White Mountains getting a little something Sunday, and then Monday a very quick cold front, and very similar to that storm we had earlier this week, maybe an inch or 2, another blast of cold weather, and it goes in through the day here on Monday, scoots off to, it looks like a bigger snowmaker for the White Mountains possibly out there at Arizona Sunrise, and I'm not really going to focus on that as much as Snowball. So let's just get beyond this thing and take a look at the next storm. And this is where I'm saying big things could be in the works before the end of the month, and I'm hoping that is the case. Boom. This is a big snowmaker here on the 24th, 25th. This is next, 24th, 25th time frame. This is next Tuesday, Wednesday. This could be the big one that puts us over the top and has the whole mountain going, and early season powder with everything pretty accessible here, because this storm looks to be a foot plus maker easily. So That's the good news. And keep checking back here on Open Snow. I'm gonna be updating several times a week, and hopefully we have a ton to talk about here in this very exciting winter to come. Peace.